The next area that we have is our opportunities pipelines. Now, I love this pipelines feature. And so when we think about pipelines, one of the first things we often think about is sales pipelines, right? So it is revolutionizing sales management, like a Salesforce or one of those types of things, where you have the ability to track leads through the pipeline and make sure that everything is tracked however it needs to be. In Kyrios, you have the ability to create unlimited pipelines. In these, you have cards, so you can track every lead where they are in your sales process. So one big challenge for many companies is that leads end up falling through the cracks because somebody forgot to follow up or contact information gets lost. And so tracking leads, tracking sales opportunities has never been easier with this. And so with the pipelines, you create that seamless tracking to make sure you know where every lead is within the process at any given point. What sets Kyrios apart, though, is the flexibility. So unlike a platform like Salesforce, you have the power to customize your pipelines fully to be able to track any information necessary. So this makes it not only great for a sales pipeline tool, but also tracking of anything. If you want to track your referrals, you can create pipelines for that. Or let's say, for example, somebody gives you a bad review and you want to be able to follow up with that person and see if you can make them happy. Or you want to create project management into the system. So you got new clients and paperwork and ideation, planning, strategy, execution, whatever it may be that you need to track to get your team working on things, it becomes very simple. And so in this, it's quite easy. So we can go in and create to be able to track anything that needs to be done. Right? I just add my stages to it. And as you're doing this and you save this, all of this actually becomes instantaneously a part of your workflow automation. So now once I create this, I have the ability to automate all of this stuff out to ensure that we have then the capacity to be able to automate process through this. So let's say, for example, I've got someone here that I want at a certain stage, maybe we need to automatically send them some paperwork, or at a certain stage we need to automatically send them out an invoice. We can do all of that within the pipelines system.